Welcome back to Archithings, where we explore the bold, the beautiful, and the brilliantly designed. Today, we're diving into a world where raw materials meet refined luxury, metal and concrete brutalism. This isn't just architecture, it's an attitude. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to join our growing design community. We love hearing your thoughts and seeing how you interpret these styles in your own spaces. So, sit back and get inspired as we explore how the heavy textures of concrete and the sleek edges of metal create a modern aesthetic that's both powerful and elegant. Brutalism emerged in the mid-20th century, inspired by the architectural movement that emphasized honesty in materials and structure. The term itself comes from the French béton brut, meaning raw concrete. Architects like Le Corbusier and Alison and Peter Smithson championed this movement as a rejection of decorative excess. Instead, they celebrated form, function, and the inherent beauty of exposed materials. Over time, brutalism evolved from stark institutional buildings to become an aesthetic language embraced by designers worldwide, especially in homes that seek drama and authenticity. Industrial design and brutalism share a DNA of minimalism and functionality. Factories, warehouses, and utilitarian structures provided the inspiration for many of today's most striking modern homes. Exposed steel beams, visible ductwork, and raw concrete floors began as practical choices but quickly became symbols of honesty and craftsmanship. When these industrial elements are combined with refined design touches, they tell a story of transformation, from grit to grace. Concrete, often considered cold or unrefined, becomes a sculptural medium in the right hands. Its texture, tone, and adaptability make it ideal for walls, floors, and even furniture. Metal adds a counterpoint. Its sheen, durability, and versatility bring balance and sophistication to concrete's earthy strength. Together, they create a dialogue between toughness and polish, a duality that defines modern brutalist luxury. Today's designers reinterpret brutalism by softening its edges. Think polished concrete countertops, blackened steel staircases, and minimalist open spaces filled with natural light. These spaces feel more inviting than the stark brutalist structures of the past, thanks to the integration of warm materials like wood, glass, and textiles. This evolution proves that brutalism is not about severity, it's about strength, character, and truth in design. Concrete can serve as both structure and surface, from walls to floors to countertops. Its versatility allows it to act as a blank canvas for creative expression. Polished concrete floors reflect light beautifully, while textured concrete walls create depth and interest. When paired with neutral tones and minimalist decor, concrete interiors achieve a serene, gallery-like quality that feels both timeless and contemporary. Metal plays a key role in defining industrial brutalism. Steel frames, aluminum panels, and brass fixtures bring a layer of sophistication and precision. Matte black or brushed nickel finishes offer contrast to concrete's matte gray tones, adding dimension and modern flair. These metallic details are not just functional, they're design statements that exude confidence and style. Lighting is crucial in brutalist spaces. Natural light highlights concrete textures and creates shadows that enhance the raw beauty of the materials. Large windows, skylights, and glass partitions open up heavy spaces, making them feel airy rather than oppressive. At night, warm LED or industrial pendant lights introduce a soft glow that transforms cold materials into cozy, livable art. Geometry is the silent strength behind brutalism's visual impact. Clean lines, right angles, and monolithic forms define its character. Architects use repetition and symmetry to emphasize order and balance, qualities that make even massive concrete structures feel harmonious. When translated into home design, these geometric principles create spaces that feel both grounded and sculptural. Furniture inspired by brutalism favors form over ornamentation. Expect blocky silhouettes, heavy materials, and clean finishes. Concrete coffee tables, steel-framed chairs, and reclaimed wood shelving are staples of this aesthetic. Even soft furnishings, when used sparingly, emphasize function. Neutral tones, simple fabrics, and low-profile designs complete the look. One secret to making metal and concrete work in homes is layering textures. Soft textiles, natural woods, and greenery offset the industrial coldness. A plush rug or linen sofa can turn a hard-edged room into a livable sanctuary without sacrificing the brutalist spirit. This balance between rough and refined is where true design harmony lives. Color palettes in brutalist design tend to be neutral, grays, blacks, and whites dominate. But subtle color accents can transform the mood. Muted tones of rust, olive, or slate complement concrete beautifully while maintaining the overall minimalist tone. Color here isn't about decoration, it's about enhancing the materiality and atmosphere of the space. Though brutalism seems urban and industrial, it actually pairs beautifully with natural elements. Green plants, wooden textures, and natural light breathe life into the raw concrete and steel environment. This interaction between nature and structure creates a powerful contrast, one that feels organic, grounding, and deeply human. In cities, brutalist and industrial aesthetics feel right at home. They mirror the grit and energy of urban life while celebrating resilience and innovation. Converted lofts, old warehouses, and concrete apartments become symbols of creative transformation. It's about seeing beauty in imperfection, and turning the everyday industrial landscape into a sophisticated living environment. As sustainability becomes central to modern architecture, concrete and metal continue to evolve. Recycled steel, low-carbon concrete, and innovative surface treatments are redefining how these materials are perceived. The future of brutalism lies in its adaptability, a continued dialogue between raw power and refined modern living. Metal and concrete brutalism is more than an aesthetic, it's a statement of confidence, strength, and refined simplicity. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the beauty of industrial design, please subscribe, like, and comment below. Your engagement helps us create more inspiring content every week. Thank you for watching Archithings, where design meets meaning. Until next time, keep building beauty, one concrete wall at a time.